If you've lost access to your Robinhood account and cannot use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Robinhood website. Go to the official Robinhood website or open the app. Look for the login option to start the recovery process. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you to the account recovery options available. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Robinhood account. This is crucial for receiving recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Robinhood with a password reset link. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Click the link in the email and follow the prompts to reset your password. Once completed, you should be able to log into your account. If you encounter further issues, consider reaching out to Robinhood's customer support for additional assistance.